students! Today, we will solve problems involving linear equations. But first, let us define a linear equation. An equation is a statement in which two expressions are equal. Algebraic equations with degree 1 are called linear equations. A linear equation can be written in the form ax is equal to b, where a and b are constants and a should not be equal to 0. A number is a solution of one equation if this statement is true when the number is substituted for the variable. If both sides of the equations have the same solution, then they are equivalent expressions. Today, we will learn to solve linear equations using a material called hands-on equation learning system. This material consists of a balance beam, numbered color cubes, and color balls. However, we will use a wide flat surface such tables instead of balance beam and triangular pyramids in Hero. Each colors of pyramids and cubes shall be used in different levels from level 1 to level 6. In every level, there are examples that are provided and legal rules are presented. The presentation of every level is continuous, so be an active observant for you are going to answer some problems involving linear equations right after each level. Also, be accurate for you will apply the techniques you learn in finding the solution of an equation. May we now start with level 1.
Good morning, students! Welcome to level 1. In this level, we need red cubes numbered 0 to 10 and blue pyramids. You might be wondering what these are for. In relation to our topic, these red cubes will represent the constant in the equations, while these blue pyramids will represent the x or x. I think we are now ready to answer some problems. Let us start with the linear equation 2x plus x equals x plus 8. To find the solution of the equation and determine whether they are equivalent or not, let us represent the given equation using our materials. Let these two blue pyramids represent 2x and another blue pyramid represent x on the left side. On the right side, we have one blue pyramid represent x and a red cube numbered 8 for the constant 8. Both sides of the equation have a common element which is x. By subtraction, a pyramid on each side will be eliminated. So we are left with 2x at the left side and one red cube number 8 at the right side. This is represented mathematically as 2x equals 8. Let us group the pyramids into 2, meaning we distribute 8 equally among the pyramids. One pyramid is equal to 4 and the other pyramid is equal to 4 also. Therefore, x is 4. Let us substitute 4 as the value of x. So 2x plus x equals 8 plus 8 will become 2 times 4 plus 4 equals 4 plus 8. By simplifying, 2 times 4 plus 4 will become 12 and 4 plus 8 will become 12. Therefore, 4 is the solution of the equation and the expression are equivalent. Let us have another example. Given the linear equation 4x plus 2 equals 3x plus 9. Find the solution of the equation and determine whether they are equal or not. Again, by representation, on the left side of the equation, For blue pyramids, for 4x, and red cube numbered 2 for constant 2. On the right side of the equation, 3 blue pyramids represent x, and 1 red cube numbered 9 for the constant 9. By subtraction property, 3 blue pyramids on each side of the equation will be removed since 3x is common on both sides. We will be left with pyramid and constant 2 equal to 9. We notice that the constants exist on both sides of the equation. To isolate the x on the left side, we can rewrite 9 is equal to 7 plus 2. This will result to x equals 7. Let us substitute 7 as the value of x in the equation 4x plus 2 equals 3x plus 9. So we will have 4 times 7 plus 2 equals 3 times 7 plus 9. By simplifying, 4 times 7 plus 2 equals 30, and 3 times 7 plus 9 become 30. We can say that 7 is the solution of the equation and the expression are equivalent. Based from these two first examples, we learned two legal laws. 1. Subtracting the common number of x on each side of the balanced equation, and second, subtracting the common constant on each side of the balanced equation. Let us try the following. Find the solution of the following linear equation and determine whether they are equivalent or not. Number 1, 5x plus 2 equal to 2x plus 13. By writing the equation, we will have 3x plus 2x plus 2 equals 2x plus 12 plus 2. By eliminating common elements on both sides, we will left 3x equals 12. Let us group the x into 3, meaning we distribute 12 equally among the x's. 1x is equivalent to 4. Therefore, x is equal to 4. Substituting the value of x as 4, we will have 5 times 4 plus 2 equals 2 times 4 plus 14. By simplifying, 5 times 4 plus 2 is equal to 22, and 2 times 4 plus 14 is equal to 22. Therefore, 4 is the solution of the equation and it is an equivalent expression. Second example, 5x minus 3x plus 2 is equal to x plus 5. By subtracting common terms, so we will left 2x plus 2 equals x plus 5. By writing the equation, x plus x plus 2 equals x plus 2 plus 3. By eliminating common elements on both sides of the equation, we will left x equals 3. Substituting the value of x as 3, we will have 5 times 3 minus 3 times 3 plus 2 is equal to 3 plus 5. By simplifying, we get 8 equals 8. Therefore, 3 is the solution of the equation and it is an equivalent equation. Example number 2. 2 times the quantity x plus 3 is equal to x plus 8. Let's find the value of x. Remember that the term inside the parenthesis with 2 outside means we double the expression inside the parenthesis. We can rewrite the equation as the quantity x plus 3 plus the quantity x plus 3 is equal to x plus 8. We can write also 8 as 5 plus 3. So x plus 3 is the quantity x plus 3 is equal to x plus 5 plus 3. By subtracting 1x on each side of the equation, we will left 1x and 3 plus 3 is equal to 5 plus 3. By subtracting a common constant on each side, so we will left x plus 3 is equal to 5. By rewriting again 5 as 2 plus 3, and by eliminating again the common constant on each side, which is 3, so we will left x is equal to 2. Therefore, 2 is the solution of the equation and it is an equivalent expression. In this level, we use subtraction for the common number of x and common constant on each side of the equation. For example, x plus 3 is equal to x plus 8. Rewriting the equation, we will have x plus 3 is equal to x plus 8. Subtracting x on both sides of the equation, we will left x plus 3 equal to 8. And by writing 8 as 5 plus 3 is equal to 5 plus 3. And by eliminating the common constant at each side, we will left x equals 5. Therefore, the value of x is 5. I think you are now ready to proceed in level 2.
Hello students, you are now one step higher in understanding linear system. Let me introduce to you the level 2. In this level, white pyramids shall be used together with the materials introduced in the level 1. These white pyramids will represent star denoted by an asterisk symbol, which is the opposite of x or negative of x. In symbols, star is equal to the negative of x. Technically speaking,
these white pyramids are the opposite of blue pyramids. This means that if blue is a gain, then white is lost. Conversely, if blue increases, then white decreases. So when a blue and a white pyramid are added together, the result will be 0 or nothing. In symbols, x plus star is equal to 0. Let us have an example. 2 times the quantity 3 star plus 1 is equal to 2 star plus 10. In this example, we will use the operation multiplication over addition such that 2 will be distributed in every term inside the parentheses. So we will get 6 star plus 2 is equal to 2 star plus 10. Now, we will present the equation with the pyramids in numbered cubes. We will need 6 white pyramids and a constant 2 on the left side. And 2 white pyramids and a constant 10 on the right side. By writing 10 as the sum of 8 and 2, we have 6 star plus 2 is equal to 2 star plus 8 plus 2. And by eliminating common terms on both sides, and the constant 2, we are left with 4 star equals 8. Let us group the pyramids into 4, meaning we distribute 8 equally among the 4 pyramids. Therefore, star is equal to 2. May I remind everybody that not just the legal moves introduced in level 1 shall be applied, but also there are additional moves that shall be introduced to you in this level. Let us have an example. 3x plus a star is equal to x plus 4. By writing this equation, we have 2x plus x plus star is equal to x plus 4. By representation, we have 3 blue pyramids and 1 white pyramid on this left side. On the other side, we have 1 blue pyramid and a constant 4. Removing x or the blue pyramid and star the white pyramid, since this would be equal to 0. And we are left with x plus x is equal to x plus 4. Removing the common terms on both sides, we are left with x or the blue pyramid and a constant 4 on the right side. Therefore, the value of x is 4. However, there are also equations that cannot be solved by removing pyramids. For example, 2x equals star plus 6. By representation, we have 2 blue pyramids on the left side, 1 white pyramid on the right side, and a constant 6. In this example, it requires a new approach to find the solution of the equation. Instead of removing opposite pyramids, we will add it on either side of the equation. Hence, we will add opposite pyramids on the left side of the equation. And so, we have 2x plus x plus star equals star plus 6. By removing common terms on both sides, we have 3x equals 6. Let us group the pyramids into 3, meaning we distribute 6 equally among the pyramids. So we have x equals 2, or 1 blue pyramid on the left side and a constant 2 on the right side. The equation 2x equals star plus 6 can also be solved through removing the white pyramid on the right side. In order for us to do this, we need to add a blue pyramid on each side of the equation. This would be still considered as legal moves. In adding the blue pyramids on the right side and on the left side, we are legally to remove this opposite pyramids on the right side. So we are left with 3x equals 6. Let us group the pyramids into 3, meaning we distribute 6 equally among the pyramids. Therefore, x is equal to 2. Let us have the most challenging problem in this level. 2x minus star equals 12. By representing 2x, we have 2 blue pyramids on the left side. On the example, we will notice that we need to subtract a star, a white pyramid, but there is no star on the left side. What we need to do is to add a convenient 0 on the left side of the equation. Meaning, we need to add x, 1 blue pyramid, and a star, 1 white pyramid on the left side of the equation. Since there is no star on the left side, we are now able to subtract the star on the equation. And by representing 12 on the right side of the equation, we have a constant 12. So we are left with 3x equals 12. Let us group the pyramids into 3, meaning we distribute 12 equally among the pyramids. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 4. In this level, you were able to gain familiarity with the positive and negative numbers. Two opposite numbers are called additive inverses. Since you were able to go around this abstract symbolism of algebraic concepts, I presume that you are now ready to proceed to level 3.
Good morning. In level 2, the opposite of a variable has been introduced. Now, in this level, the concept of green numbered cube, which is the opposite of red numbered cube, shall be discussed. It is in this level where all materials used in level 1 and level 2 are also be used. But before that, let us go first to the basic. Take note that red cube numbered 2, which is a positive 2, and green cube numbered 2, which is a negative 2, since they are opposite, their sum is equal to 0. Other example, x plus 3 is equal to negative 6. X represented by blue pyramid, and 3 represented by red cube number 3, and negative 6 represented by green cube number 6. To find the value of x, we can try to remove 3 through the use of legal moves. One approach is to add negative 3 to each side of the setup, which is the green numbered cubes. Then we can remove a pair of opposites, which is the positive 3 and negative 3. Thus, x is equal to negative 9. Next example is star minus 3 is equal to negative 10. First, set up a series that is represented by Y pyramid. And next, we need to subtract 3 on the left side. And the way to do this is to add convenient pair of opposite cubes, which is a red and a green cubes number 3. And we can now already subtract positive 3, which is the red cube. And star minus 3 is equal to negative 10. And negative 10 can be rewritten as negative 7 plus negative 3. From here, we may subtract a green 3 value from each side. Thus, star is equal to negative 7. Next example, 2 star plus 3 is equal to negative 6 plus x. By representation, 2 star plus 3 is equal to negative 6 plus x. Since there are more pyramids on the left side, let's remove a single pyramid we have on the right side by adding a pair of opposite pyramids on the left side. Applying the legal moves, we remove a blue pyramid on the both sides. Then from here, we can add a green cube number 3 to each side. Since these two cubes are opposite, so we can remove it. And we are left with 3 stars is equal to 6. Negative 6 plus negative 3, which is equal to negative 9. Therefore, star is equal to negative 3. And last, we will solve these problems. To the quantity x minus 1 plus 4 is equal to x plus negative 8. First, we double the terms inside the parentheses. X minus 1 becomes 2x minus 2. And 2x can be rewritten as x plus x, and negative 8 can be rewritten as negative 6 plus negative 2. So, x plus x minus 2 plus 4 is equal to x plus negative 6 plus negative 2. By using the legal moves, we will remove x and negative 2 on the both sides. So, x will remove and negative 2 also remove. So, we are left with x plus 4 is equal to negative 6. And we will add negative 4 on both sides. So, x plus 4 plus negative 4 is equal to negative 6 plus negative 4. So, since these two are opposites, we can remove it. So, x is equal to negative 10. I hope that learning linear systems was made easier for you with these examples and problems.
In conclusion, in finding the solution of a linear system, we have to manipulate the equation in order for us to find the value of x. Based from the lesson, we've learned that there are different ways in obtaining answers in a problem. If the value of x we get is a solution to both sides of the equation, then the expressions are equivalent. For example, a plus 3 is equal to 5. We subtract 3 from both sides so that a plus 3 minus 3 equals 5 minus 3. So, a is equal to 2. So, if we substitute a from the equation, a plus 3 is equal to 5, where a is equal to 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, then 5 is equal to 5, the expressions are equivalent. Another example is 2x plus 5 is equal to 10. Let's apply what we learned. We subtract both sides by negative 5, so 2x plus 5 minus 5 is equal to 10 minus 5. So the equation will be 2x equals 5. So, we divide both sides by 2 so that x is equal to 5 over 2. And then, we substitute the value of x to the equation. 2x plus 5 is equal to 10. 2, wherein the value of x is equal to 5 over 2 plus 5 is equal to 10. So, we cancel out that 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. So, 10 is equal to 10. So, the equation is equivalent.
To test your understanding, try to solve the following problems using your paper and pencil. This method is called pictorial system. Draw a scale and on it write x's and x instead of blue and white pyramids. Places written in box numerals instead of red number cubes and place circle numerals instead of green number cubes. Use process of about anything that is to be removed. I am Meros.
I am Jana.
I am Henry.
I am Shaina.
And I am